Welcome to Tallo. Today we'll take you through how to add a school to your Tallo profile. Once you're logged in and under your profile section, scroll down until you see the education section. By adding your school to your Tallo profile, it will ensure that you are connected on the back end to your school to connect with your teachers and counselors. So step 1, you will select Add School. You can choose the drop-down, middle school, high school, college, some college. We'll say high school. Here's where you'll type in the institution name. Once you see it pop up, you'll select it. You can enter any description if you'd like about your experience with this school. You'll enter your GPA. You'll enter the date ranges when you attended this school and simply select Save Content. And now you can see the school that you just added on your profile. Thanks and enjoy your journey with Tallo.